Hello everyone, I'm Rohan from Rohan Mishra Photography, and today I'll be unboxing the newly launched Nikon Z6 II. Before we start the video, let me tell you that this is not a demo camera. It's a camera which we have purchased, and I'm more than excited to share my feedback about this camera. I'll be doing a detailed review about this camera down the line. But yes, let's start unboxing it and see what's in there. Okay. So this is the service center list. We have the details about the warranty about the camera. A few more details about the mirrorless technology which Nikon has launched and incorporated in their S-line lenses. Then we have Nikon service warranty. We have it for the lens as well as for the camera. And then we have the user's manual, which is quite handy, but in most of the cases we don't use it because we have been using Nikon camera for so many years, and these new mirrorless cameras are no different. It's quite intuitive, and you can start shooting the moment it comes in your hand. Okay, so let's see what's in there. So we have a USB-C cable. Now the best thing which I like about this camera is you can actually power it on using an external power source like a power bank when you are shooting with this camera. It's quite handy when you are shooting hyperlapse or time lapse where you need a continuous power source for your camera. Then we have the Z camera strap, a charger, and we have other accessories for the eyepiece. We have a battery. What next? Okay, there's a cover. Okay, here is the lens, the kit lens which comes along with it. It's a 24-70 f4 lens. That's the lens hood. And finally, we have the camera in our hand. Okay, so that Nikon Z6 II. It looks and feel pretty much same as my Nikon Z6, but the best thing is dual card slots. Okay. Now, as wedding photographers, we have been waiting for this. We understand that while shooting, it's always good to have an additional backup with us. And this has a UHS 2 SD card and XQD or CF Express card. Both of them can be used together for backup purpose or probably for overflowing to another card. Okay, let's see what else is there. So we have the FTZ adapter. What I like about these adapters is that all my F-mount lenses, they work seamlessly on these adapters. Here is a small little adapter. Okay, so that's the FTZ adapter. Do we have, okay, we get a 64 GB XQD card from Nikon. The other thing which I am really excited about this camera is the possibility of updating the firmware right from your SnapBitch application in your mobile phone. Now, this eliminates the process of actually downloading everything from internet, from the website, and moving it to the XQD card and then updating the firmware. It makes it a lot easier. I think Nikon has been introducing some really cool features with these upcoming cameras, and I'm really excited what is in their upcoming firmware updates as well. Thanks for watching this video. We'll be back with another detailed review about this camera very soon. Bye.